Good morning, students. Hope you all are good and safe at home. We are doing infinite GP. We did three questions of infinite GP in previous video. Now let's do some more questions. If the sum of an infinite geometric series is 15 and sum of squares of these terms is 45, then find the series. Okay, we have the first thing we have given with the sum of infinite geometric series. What is the sum of infinite geometric series? It is a upon 1 minus r, when r's modulus is less than 1. And what it is given? It is given as 15. S is 15. Now take it as 1. Now the second thing is sum of squares of these terms. Okay, these are the terms of GP. So GP is A, AR, AR square, so on up to, as this is infinite GP, so we don't have nth term. First term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, so on up to. That means it is going up to infinity. Now what he is asking for the sum of squares of every term. That means first of all we'll square it. Square of every term. What is this? It is a square. Now a square r square. Next is a square r raised to power 4, so on up to infinity. Now the sequence is a's power 2 is a square. A r's whole power 2 is, it is a square r square. A r square's whole power 2 is a square r raised to power 4. Now the first term is a square, and what is common ratio here? A square r square upon a square. It is r square. Now the first term is a square and common ratio is r square. Now we need its sum. So what is the formula? Of course this is infinite GP. So sum's formula is a upon 1 minus r. A upon 1 minus r. What is a? A. Here I am taking A as capital A and R as capital R. Why? Just because of I have already taken small a for the simple series. After squaring the each and every term, that means the square of each and every term, we are getting the new sequence. So here the first term is here the first term is capital A, but for this sequence here the first term is small a, and same as here's a common ratio is small r, but here's the common ratio I have taken is capital R. It is denoted by capital R. So what is r here? Capital R. It is r square. Now if I have taken this as s, then I can take it as s dash, or you can take small s, or you can take s1, whatever you want to take. So s dash is the sum of these terms, and s is the sum of these terms. Now it is already given, it is 45. Sum is 45. Now take it as 2. Now we need to find the series. We can only find the series if we have small a, small r. If we have the values of small a and small r, that means we need to find the values of small a and small r. Here we have first equation, here we have second equation. What we can do, we can find the value of a from this. It means 15 into 1 minus r. It is the value of a, and we can substitute here. Or the second thing is, which one is the easiest criteria, I can say. What is this? I am writing first term here because I need this term. This is my first term. So what I am doing, I am just doing the square of first term. Why it is, I will explain later on. It is 1 minus r whole square. 15 square is 225 whole upon a square 1 minus r square. Okay, I am squaring of first term. Why? Because just compare this term and this term. Here we have a square, here we have a square. So after dividing, a square will cut out with a square. Just because of this very thought, only then I have just doing the squaring. I have just done the squaring here. So what is the reason behind it? Because here was a square, here was a. So I need a square. So that means the square is missing. So I've already done the square of first equation. So 15 square, that means if I am doing squaring, that means I have to take square on both sides. 15 square is equals to a square into upon 1 minus r whole square. Okay, this is my third equation. So divide third by first term, third by second term, sorry. Now what is the second term? Here it is 225 and there it was 45. 225 upon 45. Here it is a square upon 1 minus r whole square and whole upon a square upon 1 minus r square. Now this is in the form of a by b upon c by d. 225 by 45 equals to a square 1 minus r whole square multiply 1 minus r square upon a square. Reciprocate the denominator. A square will cut out with a square. This is the reason I have done division, just because of to cut a square with a square. And what you are watching here is the formula is applicable, a square minus b square. If I have if I am just writing the square of 1, that means that it is again 1. So 1 square minus r square. So its formula is 1 minus r into 1 plus r. And here it is 1 minus r whole square. So 1 minus r will cut out with 1 minus r. And here 225 upon 45. 5 nines are 45, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 9 fives are 45. So, but I'll get it is 5 1 plus r upon 1 minus r. Now, when this term will go to this side, it will multiply with 5. It becomes 5 minus 5r 1 plus r. So 5r. When this r goes to this side, it becomes minus sign, 1 minus 5. Minus 6r upon minus 4. It is minus 4 by minus 6. Negative sign will get negative sign. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So r is 2 by 3. Here we get r is equals to 2 by 3. We need also the small a. That means the value of a we need. Now, we'll substitute the value of r in first equation. What was the first equation? It was a upon 1 minus r is equals to 15. This was the first equation. Now we have the value of r 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now it is 3 minus 2, it is 1 by 3. So this is in division. 1 by 3 is in division. When it goes to this side, it will come with multiplication sign. So 3 5s are 50. A is equals to 5. Now we have the value of r, we have the value of a. Now can we get the series? The series is a plus ar plus ar square so on up to. What is a? It is 5. 5 into 2 by 3 plus 5 into 2 by 3 is whole square, which is 4 by 9, so on up to. So it becomes 5 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 by 3, 5 4s are 20, 20 by 9, so on up to. Hope this question is clear to you. This is also an important question where the sum of it, where the s was given, and then what we did, we took the squaring of each and every term. After taking the squaring, that means we are getting the new series, and after that from the new series we are finding the sum. the sum which is already given, which is 45. Then we compare the terms and we'll get the value of A and R. And after that, after getting A and R's value, we are getting the series, because series is A plus AR plus AR square, so on up to. Hope this question is clear to you. Let's do one more question of infinite GP. Now the next question is, the sum of first two terms of infinite GP is 15. That means we have the summation of first two terms, that is A plus AR. First term is A and second term is AR. Its sum is 15. So can I take A as common? It is A into 1 plus R is equals to 15. Take it as 1. Now, and each term is equals to sum of all terms following it. That means if we have series या sequence, we have A1, A2, A3, so on up to AN. Okay, the next term is AN plus 1. So on up to till up to infinity. So if I am saying the second term is equals to sum of all the terms following it. That means A3 plus A4 plus A5, so on up to infinity. If I am talking about A3, so A3 is equals to A4, A5, A6, A7, so on up to infinity. So I am taking journal term instead of taking second term, third term, because the term is not given. The author is saying each term. So every term is. So we can take second term, we can take third term, or we can take nth term. So I am taking nth term. So nth term is equals to sum of all terms following it. So its next term is n plus 1th term, then n plus 2th term, n plus 3th term, so on up to. If you don't want to take nth term, you can take here second term, then second term will be equals to third term, fourth term, fifth term, so on up to infinity. It's up to you whether you want to take nth term or you want to take second term, third term, fourth term, any term that you want to take, because each term, it is already given that each term is equals to sum of all terms following it. So what is nth term? It is AR raised to power n minus 1. So it's AR raised to power n, AR raised to power n plus 1, AR raised to power n plus 2, so on up to infinity. So I have already applied the formulas. Nth term formula is AR raised to power n minus 1. N plus 1th term formula is ARN, then ARN plus 1, ARN plus 2, so on up to. Now, can I take A as common? So after taking A, even R is to power n. So here it is 1. Here R is to power n I have taken as common. R is to power n plus 1. R is to power n plus 1. Can I write R is to power n plus 1 is equals to R is to power n into R is to power 1. So R is to power n I have already taken as common. So what is left behind? Which is R. Here R is to power n I have already taken outside. So R is to power 2 is left behind. So on up to. R is to power n plus 2. Can I write R is to power n into R is to power 2? So if R is to power n is already out, that means R square is inside. So A is cut out with A. Now we need to find the series. R is to power n minus 1. Here R is to power n is in multiplication. When it goes to left hand side, then it will divide with this term. So here it is 1 plus R square, so on up to. Bases are same. So powers will be subtracted because division symbol is there. So it becomes R is to power minus 1. So on up to. I am writing this term here because I have to use this term. Now R is to power minus 1. This is nothing, this is GP, infinite GP. So we can apply the formula of sum. A upon 1 minus R. What is A? Sum's formula is A upon 1 minus R. What is A? 1, and R is R upon 1, which is R, and R is to power minus 1. Can I write as 1 by R? So we have 1 by R is equals to 1 upon 1 minus R. After cross multiplication, what will get? 1 minus R is equals to R. So 1 is equals to 2R, and R's value will be 1 by 2. So we get the value of R, which is 1 by 2. Now we have the value of R. Now, but we need is A. Now we have the value of R. We'll substitute in first equation. Put in 1. But first A1, A into 1 plus R is equals to 15. So what is R? 1 plus 1 by 2. So it is 1 plus 1 by 2. After taking LCM, we'll get 3 by 2 is equals to 15. When it goes to right hand side, it becomes multiply 2 by 3. 3 5s are 15. So A is equals to 10. Now we have the value of R. We have the value of A. We need the series. So series is A plus AR plus AR square, so on up to. So what is A? A is 10 AR, 10 into 1 by 2, 10 into 1 by 4, so on up to. That means 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 5 plus 5 by 2, so on up to. So this is the series that we wanted to find it out. We need the value of A and R for the series. So we find here R is equals to 1 by 2 and here A is equals to 1 by 10. After substitution, the value A and R will get the series. If the question is clear, I am sending one assignment related to these questions. So do that assignment. If you have any problem, then you can contact me. Till then, stay safe and be happy. Thank you so much.